This video is sponsored by Carter, manufacturers of water pumps and fuel pumps since 1909. Visit carterengineered.com to learn more.
Hey, welcome back. I'm Joe. Whatever your goals may be, adding ASE certifications to your resume is a great way to advance your career. Becoming accredited by ASE can help ensure that you're ready to work on today's cars, trucks, and SUVs. Let's see how you do on this ASE A1 engine repair test prep question. Which of these points isn't a common coolant leakage spot? Is it A, faulty water pump, B, corroded core plugs, C, faulty gasket, or D, faulty hose? The correct answer is B. Of all of the components mentioned, the engine core plugs have the lowest percentage chance of developing a leak. Hoses, gaskets, and water pumps are considered wear items and will have a much higher chance to leak. Thanks for watching.